girl Nita Rain. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share. And if you've been here with me for a long time, make sure you are sharing, commenting, and watching my video all the way. Don't be skipping, okay? We don't skip over here. So tonight I'm gonna be showing you guys my night routine for my face. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all, I don't do this every night, but I do this at least 4 times a week. Sometimes I get home late from work, I'm tired, I just wash my face and go right to sleep. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. However, like I said, I do this at least 4 times a week. There are some people out there that have real health issues that cannot control how their skins are and what happens to their skin. I get it. However, if you don't have a real health issue and you just don't take care of your skin, I encourage you to take care of your skin. It's very important. You don't always want to have to wear makeup when you're stepping outside because you want to conceal certain things. Granted, I know a lot of us, we do it for, you know, accessorizing. We want to look glam and pretty and prettier and whatever, but yeah, I mean, you want to walk outside with your skin glowing and clear and beautiful as well too. So, you know, I encourage you, if it's something that you don't do, I ask you to add that in your everyday. And like I said, I don't do that every day, but at least if you can even do that 3 times, 2 times a day, taking good care of your skin. But anyways, let's get into this video, okay? So I'm just gonna start from the top. This is the cabinet. But you know, I have my vitamins, my husband, some other vitamins. I have my electric face wash, which I'm gonna be using soon. I have my teeth care, my eye mask, my face mask. Don't worry about this, lashes. And then we're gonna open this up. Boom and boom. This is my skincare, face wash, toner, sunscreen, moisturizer, my eye cream, and night cream. I have different face wash and different skincare for when I have makeup on versus when I don't have makeup on. So like today I didn't wear makeup, so I'm gonna do something really light. Like I'm gonna do maybe this face wash, face wash right here. I'm going to bed, so I'm going to be using my Olay night cream. I do mix it up with this detox moisturizer, overnight detox moisturizer. Basically, I have a lot of eye cream. I just use whatever one comes first. I use this one. Of course, you gotta have some lip mask. Always gotta make sure your lips are popping and soft. So yeah, this is my little cabinet. And below that is the toilet. I'm not gonna show you that. So I do hope you guys can hear me, and plus I have to turn on the water, so that's that. But anyways, we are gonna get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my face wash of the night. routine for the night. If you have any questions about any of the products that I use, make sure you comment and I will get back to you with more information. Or you know what, I'm just gonna list them. Yeah, so this is my night routine. Like I said, take care of your skin, drink a lot of water. No one's skin is perfect, but I make sure that I try to maintain what I have, because like I said, this is the only face you have. You don't get a second one, so you gotta take care of what you got. We don't always want to wear makeup, so we have to take care of our skin. And yeah, so see you guys in my next video. Thank y'all so much for watching and have a good night.